Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Yesterday we read Animals in the Park, an ABC book, and Mrs. Hensley made a big mistake. But what do I always say? If you can't make a mistake, you can't make anything. Mrs. Hensley, when we got to the cats, I said I have two cats. I have a cat named Harley and I have a cat named Lexi, and that is very true. But then when I got to the dogs, I said I have two dogs that are Harley and Mackenzie, Mrs. Hensley. Oh my goodness. I have two dogs. I was right. But Harley is a cat. So I made the mistake there. We have two dogs and their names are Mackenzie and Ruby. We call her Ruby June. She's only about 7 or 8 months old. So she's a puppy. But I've just made a mistake, and that's okay. We can make mistakes. Well, today we're going to read Animals in the Park, an ABC book again. And yesterday we talked about how these animals are special. And I want you to pay attention to how they're special. And we're also going to focus on the sounds today that the pictures in the book that start with what sound. So we're going to focus on that. And then we're going to talk about how people are special, okay? So here we go. Animals in the Park, an ABC book by Bob Barner. Here is our title page. It has the title and the author again. Animals in the park do not move all day, but now that it is dark, watch them as they play. Here we go. Letter A, alligator can act. That's a special thing for alligators to be able to do. But let's take a look at the pictures. We have an ant, ant. We have apples. Those start with the letter A. Okay. B, bear can balance. We talked yesterday about a bear can't balance. That's a little bit hard for a bear to do, so that's what makes this bear special. So we have a basket of balls, we have a banana, and we have a bee. Those all say B. Okay? C, cat can count. Here's where I was talking about Harley and Lexi. Harley and Lexi can't count, so that makes this cat pretty special. So we have carrots, we have caterpillar, and we have a cup, and a cat. Okay, the letter D, dog can dance. Here's where I made my mistake. Ruby June and Mackenzie cannot dance. Cannot. This dog can dance, so it's pretty special. It does things other animals can't do. So we have a dollar. We have a duck and a dog. E, elephant can enter. We have an entrance, like you're entering somewhere. We have an exit, and we have an elephant. They all say eh. F, fox can follow. Firefly, fox, fish, fountain. They all say F. G, goat can giggle. Here we go. Goat. Geese. Guitar. Okay. H, hippopotamus can hop. Hippopotamuses are so big, I don't think that they can hop, but I don't know. Mrs. Hensley doesn't have a hippopotamus. Do you? Do you have a hippopotamus at your house? I don't have one. Okay, so we have a hippo. He is hopping, and we have a hat, and we have a helicopter. I, iguana can imagine. We have an iguana. We have insects. We have ink, and we have an inchworm. J, jaguar can juggle. Oh, he can juggle. I think that makes him pretty special. We have a jug, a jack in the box. We have a jaguar, and the jaguar can juggle. K, kangaroo can kick. We have a kangaroo, a kite. We have a two kittens, and kangaroo is kicking. Lion, L, lion can leap. Lion, ladybug, lobster, lion. M, monkey can march. Monkeys can't march, but that makes this monkey pretty special. Here we go. Mushrooms, monkey, moon. N, newt can nibble. We have a newt who is nibbling nuts. Here is a net, and here is a nest. O, octopus can observe. We have an octopus. We have an ostrich. We have an otter. P, panda can pull. I don't think a panda's pulling a big old pumpkin. What do you think? We have a pumpkin. We have a panda, and we have a pig, and a parachute. Q, quail can question. We have a queen that is telling the quail to be quiet, and we have a quail. We have a question mark. R, rat can race. We have a, oh, I'm sorry, Mrs. Hensley made a mistake. Rabbit can race. We have a rabbit. We have a rose. We have a rooster. S, seal can sail. We have a seal. We have a sailboat. And we have a sun. T, tiger can tug. Telephone. Tiger. Turtle. Tomato plant. U, umbrella, bird can uncover. We have an umbrella. We have an umbrella bird. We have this cup is being uncovered. Uncovered. V, vole can visit. Voles starts with V. Van, vine, all start with V. W, walrus can waddle. Wagon, watermelon, walrus, and woodpecker. X-ray, fish can examine. The letter X. We have X-ray. And X says kiss, kiss. Y, yak can yell. Here is a yo-yo. Here is a yak. Here is yarn. And the yak is yelling. Zebra can zigzag. Z, zebra. Zipper. Zigzag. At the zoo. Animals play all night. They act, dance, and hop. But now that it is light, watch them as they stop. Okay, we talked about how animals were special yesterday in that book and touched up on it just a little bit. Mrs. Hensley wants to show you a page here. It says our essential question is, how is everyone special? How is everyone special? Think about that. How are these children special? Well, let's look at them. It says, look at us. Let's see. Do they have the same clothes on? No. Do they have the same hair? No. Do they have the same skin color? Not all. Some have the same skin color, but all together, they do not all have the same skin color. Now, we don't have to wear the same thing. We don't have to eat the same thing, and we don't have to do the same thing as other people. That's what makes us special, okay? We care about ourselves, okay? We like for our friends to treat us nicely, and we want to make sure that we feel in your heart special, okay? You don't have to do what other people are doing just because they're doing that one thing or whatever it is. It makes all of us are special in our own way, but we all are special. And you are special. Mrs. Hensley is special. We all have something unique about ourselves. We're all different. It would be a boring life if it was all the same, wouldn't it be? I wouldn't like that. That would not be fun at all. We wouldn't all want to be the same. We wouldn't all want to be one color. We wouldn't all want to talk the same. We wouldn't all want to play the same sports. We wouldn't all want to read a book at the same time, or read the same book. Mrs. Hensley didn't think about that. What you like might not be what someone else likes. That's what makes us special. Is there a food that you don't like? Mrs. Hensley doesn't like onions. Yuck. So that makes me special because I don't like onions. So we need to make sure that we're feeling special about ourselves and treat others the way we want to be treated so we can all feel special. Okay, that's the thing. We take a look at these kiddos and they're very special. They've got different things that are different about themselves. And we're going to focus on being special. And Mrs. Hensley is going to read another book. It's called I'm Special, I'm Me, in just a little bit. My time's about up on this video, so I have to do that in just a little bit. But here in just a little bit, Mrs. Hensley will be reading I'm Special, I'm Me to you, so we can talk about how the little boy in the story feels not so special. And then something happens. I wonder what happens. Do you think he feels special maybe sometime throughout the story? I don't know. Let's read that in just a little bit and see. I will be right back.